Hello guys, right now nato sa Oakridge Business Park and today we're gonna check out ang bagong open na Sunburst diri sa Oakridge. You know, Sunburst has always been our favorite na fried chicken place ng mga Cebuanos, and a lot of Cebuanos gimingaw gini Sunburst, especially itong mga nag-abroad or even nag-Manila na may Sunburst dito. So karon, let's have fried chicken here at Sunburst. So this is Sunburst by here at Oakridge. Tanawa, lahi lang siya is because more siya alfresco og dating, tanawa. Open air with fans, with big fans. Mana ang ordering pag pina fast food style na mo order ka diri sa ilang counter, ordering counter. So mura pag mo order ka daan, mo bayad ka, and this restaurant features mga hapon natong favorites like the classic, the sandu, the sunny solo, nang pwede rib kill or thigh, ano pa yung mga chicken parts, then of course kana ato mga chicken crackers, isol, gizzard, liver, og uban pa. Na isol ana bay. Kan na itong mga favorites, mga chicken crackers, plus of course na sila mga other dishes na seafood, and even noodles like mga lomi, mga pancit gisado, even crispy pata, na pa yung mga of course mga coleslaw, that's our favorite, halo-halo, leche flan. So it's kompleto na again with dessert. So let's order. So we ordered and I had a classic, the extra coleslaw and bottled water. By the way, kung ano sila, Pepsi products sila dali. Plus of course, ang nakalingaw kung once you order, you're given your number, ring na. Let's see kung pila ta ka minutos maghulat. So finally, we have our order.
Hi sir, customer 4. One order of classic sir, coleslaw small, and bottled water sir. Thank you so much.
So here's our order by, this is the classic. It has 3 pieces chicken, we have breast, thigh, and drumstick with kamote fries and coleslaw. And we ordered an extra coleslaw plus their bottled water. It's time to eat guys, muna. You know, Sunburst started in Iligan in 1971 by, and grabe lang story, it's now more than 50 years already. In Cebu, I think they started in 1976 in Mandaue. surprise kay ko na nakakount ng Sunburst today. Of course, it's been a while na nakakount ng Sunburst, but yes, lamig ng Sunburst. Although, wala, kinahanglan lang ka maghuwat because they cook their chicken. You know, when you order, right? When you order, napaluluto ng manok. So, sometimes ang waiting time could reach around 30 minutes. Pero worth the wait man sa yun siya. And this is not a fast food na chicken. It's really, you know, one of the best fried chicken restaurants in Cebu. So check them out. There is a Oakridge by mana. Support our local businesses. You know, this is a homegrown. Oh no, it started in Iligan, pero yun, nagdugay isa ni sila sa Cebu. It's over, you know, over 46 years na sila. Around 46 years na sila sa Cebu. So why not? Diba, supportahan nila nato. And you know, thank you so much for watching. And you know, kaon og chicken ba. And keep on supporting bitaw. And salamat sa pagtanaw. Bye bye bye.